Good day mga kababs, again welcome to another episode of Life with Mr. Babs. So today, time to check, it's 7:15, Sabado ngayon. So I usually take a break on the weekend. I just follow throughout the day with work and what's going to happen. Nga pala mga kababs, I might be swapping our Babs mobile today. Di na talaga kasi siya masyado nagagamit kasi pambinata talaga siya, safety of my kids, yung space sa likod. There's an offer for an Honda Accord, which is, I think it's a good big vehicle din naman. So we'll see. Waiting tayo na sa gusto makapag-swap. So this might be the last day. Nga lang, pogi ko sa pogi. Pogi talaga yung BM natin, si Babs Mobile. So for family purpose, mas pro yung mga ganun sasakyan, yung Honda Accord. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Ito yung sasakyan na pwedeng isap by today. So we'll see. They're from Batangas. Okay naman siya. At least drive din siya ni Mrs. And then let's see. Kasyang-kasya yung mga kids ko sa likod. Ayan. Someone came to work with us today. What's your name?
My name is Joey.
How old are you? No, how old?
I'm drawing.
What are you drawing?
I'm drawing a circle.
Wow, nice. Ngayon naman mga Babs, mag-edit tayo ng day in the life of Mr. Babs from kahapon. And then sabi nung makikipag-swap sa atin ng sasakyan is they'll be here around 2 to 3 p.m. Time check right now is 11. So habang naghihintay tayo, we'll get to work. Naka-ready na rin si Babs Mobile. So naka-car wash na siya na okay na siya. So we'll see you later. So, work muna tayo. Alam kong hindi pa nabibenta yung sasakyan, pero gagawa na tayo ng thumbnail para dun sa day in the life of Mr. Babs. Joel, let's go! Ayan mga kababs. Ganun kumuha ng thumbnail. Siyempre, di ba? Gawa rin lang naman. Pero totoo naman yung feeling na yun kasi may pinagsamahan naman kami ni Babs Mobile. Kahit pa paano. So yeah. So on the way na daw yung bibili makikipag-swap ng sasakyan sa atin. So we'll see them in a little bit. May mga Babs, kaya muna tayo ng lunch. Time check is 12:30 na. So yeah. You know, the funny thing is, nag-usap kami ni Harvey. Sabi niya, full-on vlogger daw yung ginagawa ko. Well, to be honest, this is not something that you do just for fun anymore. I do this because it's part of our business to get it out there. So Mr. Babs is promoting Babs app at the end of the day. So plus at the same time siguro it's a fun thing really too. So yun, kaya na rin tayo. Chicken things. Amran, Chloe? So nag-order tayo ng chicken mga kababs. Order tayo ng chicken. Huh?
Chicken.
Then mga Babs, kakatapos lang natin mag-lunch. So now we're planning to upload the video that we created earlier. Then still making some of the videos for today. So yeah, lapit na daw yung makikipag-swap sa atin ng sasakyan. So, sinunod. What's up?
Hey, magazine si Kyla. What are you doing?
What are you doing? So, ito na mga kabagos na natin yung sasakyan na eventually for trade. We'll see kung okay lahat. So, this might be the last day for you. Okay guys, nandito na yung buyer. He's from?
Batangas City.
Yes sir. So ayun, pinatest drive ng kapatid niya yung sasakyan. Yung kapatid niya pala ang gagamit pero siya ang magbabayad. Bayad tayo na. So wait, ito nga pala yung brother niya. Sheesh! Kamusta yung kotse bro?
Ayos naman sir, natakbo.
Pag hindi nila kinuha, at least may proof ako na video na okay yung sasakyan. Ito joke. So yun guys, nagka-close na kami ng deal. Follow niyo yung page nila, no?
Yachimoto Garage pa.
Yes sir.
Follow na lang, guys.
Tapos, yung sa'yo bro?
Rob Colax Collection.
Yes sir, yun yung mga binibenta niya. Alright mga kababs, close deal. That's it.
Thank you, ingat kayo, ingat. Ingat, 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 ingat.
Ito, okay na yun.
Oo, tuturo ko na sa'yo pagdating sa bahay.
Oto! Congratulations.
Yung isang libo, saan?
Lampas ka natin. Ingat to. Thank you. Alright mga kababs, and that's it for the day. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanood na to. And to my BMW, maraming salamat to all the memories that we had. Kahit konti lang, malimit naman nakapark ka. So now we have a new mobile. Hindi ko pala papangalan sa kanya. Pero I'm thinking about selling it also in the future. And maraming salamat mga kababs. Everyone, please have a great weekend ahead.